Welcome to the Workspace Formula. In this channel, I'm going to upload courses and videos that will help people progress in their career, provide guidance to people, and make sure that they don't do some basic mistakes that many people do. I have a background in HR, which is human resource management, which makes me a good candidate to tell you about some mistakes, some secrets, and some tips to advance in your career. But let's make one thing very sure, there is no guarantee to success, and what I am sharing here is just for knowledge and what I have learned so far in my career. You follow me or not follow me, make sure you make decisions according to your career. If you need any support, you can comment down below and I will try to reply you with all the knowledge I have. All the best, and now I will be moving on with my first course in the next video.